Alright, today I would like to show you how to properly cook brown rice. So measure 2 cups. Usually these supermarket brand rice are cleaned and no stone and so forth is in it. Some of them tend to have some steel and stone. Alright, so put it in your pot, a pot for stewing, and add some water. We're going to rinse it. And also 1 teaspoon of white vinegar, and rinse this. I'm going to cook this with stewed cabbage today. So let's rinse it. Why I use the white vinegar? Because I don't know, there's a lot of things it protects and kill bacteria and so forth. You see the water, look? That's why I use it. Kind of help power clean it. I have my cake I baked today, so remove the water. If you want, you can rinse it the second time, but that's not necessary. Alright. Now add the water. Add the water. Remember, I always say use a finger. It should be, tip of the rice should be at the end of your finger to the first index at the top of the water. That's a guide to know you have enough water. Alright. Add salt. I'm using sea salt. 1 teaspoon of sea salt, and 3 cups of water. Now put to eat. Cover your pot slightly. Put the stove on high and cover the pot slightly. Once it comes to a boil, once the water is boiled out, then we're going to turn the stove on low. I meaning between 6 and 8. Why I say between 6 and 8? Because, let me show you. In cooking, see, your flame should never be over the pot like this, like that. It should be just flush with the bottom of the flame should be flush with the bottom of the pot, not over and around, because you're wasting gas that way. Alright, this is the rice after 8 minutes, still on high flame. Cover your pot slightly, just allow it to simmer. This is after 15 minutes, still on high. See, I just look, it's on 8. I just want it to get going. 15 minutes. A little while we want to turn it down and let it simmer. After 15 minutes, turn the stove on very low and cover it. Again, also clean, but it's clean. It's just that it's have like a stain on it. That's how low you want the stove, almost off. Just for reassurance, I got this bag, this 8x12 clean bag that I have. and just cover it. Because brown rice is kind of hard. If you don't cook it properly, it will be hard. Just cover it. Make sure this is covered, and just let it simmer. Okay, after a total of 40 minutes, this is what this look like. Just stir it. So just dry it out. 30 minutes. It's almost cooked. Let's taste it. Alright. Let's cover it. 40 minutes. So that's been 40 minutes. It's been 40 minutes. Just cover it. Alright. After we boil it for 15 minutes on high flame, and then we turn it down after. It can take 40 minutes. It can take 30 to 45 minutes after that to steam. In all, it took 1 hour. In all, this took 1 hour to cook. But remember, on low flame. And with it being on low flame, it could never burn. So you just do that. And just see. So that's it. Let's turn the stove off. It's more than cooked. Brown rice. This is a very healthy rice to eat. This is better. Although statistics says that you get the same amount of nutrient from both of them, but I believe you get more nutrient from the brown rice. Alright, so that's the rice. So that's the brown rice. Brown rice. Visit JamaicaDinners.com. Brown rice.